Now, what is so big in you and in many cases is controlling you? What's that? Your ego. And in the job search, your ego may lead to worse results than you may think if you don't realize that it's controlling you. Hi everyone, I'm Thea from agejob.com.au, helping skilled migrants and international graduates get jobs and live a better life. And in today's video, I will point out to you why it's hard to ask for help. And if you don't ask for help, actually you are losing a lot of money. And then I will share with you my story, why I ask for a lot of help and why you should do the same. Now, there are two reasons when you don't want to ask for help in the job search. Reason number one is your ego. So when you ask for help, it makes you look less capable than you would like to be perceived. And you don't want anyone to think of you to be incapable or incompetent, right? So that's why you rather do it yourself than asking other people for help, because you don't want to lose face. Reason number two is you asked the wrong people for help and it gave you bad experience and you don't trust other people anymore. It's wrong, my friend. If someone gave you the wrong help, it doesn't mean that no one can help you. Everyone is different. And now the matter is at you, whether you are open to receive help from other people. But you still need to ask for help, my friend. I have been through so many situations with both reasons that I just shared with you. And I realized that you need to ask for help because you cannot solve everything by yourself. And if you don't ask for help, the damage may get worsened. And until a time is too late. Many job seekers came to me when they have only 3 to 4 months on their visa and they couldn't find a job yet. At that time, it's too late. No one can help you. So how to avoid that situation and ask for help before it's too late? My answer is you should give it a try, but after a while you still haven't got any results, then you should stop and ask for help. And more specifically, you should ask for help in these cases. Number one, you are tired of sending out a lot of resumes and you still don't receive any feedback from the companies or you don't receive any interviews. So it shows that what you are doing is not working. You are not receiving the results that you expect, right? So at a time, you need to ask for help. If you keep doing the same thing, how can you expect a different result? How can you expect to receive an interviews, right? So you should stop and ask for help. Number two, you know that your resume needs to be improved in order to get a job, but you have no idea how to fix it. You have been applying for so many jobs, but you still don't get any interviews, you don't get any results. And you have revised your resume over and over again, but it still doesn't bring interviews to you. So at a time, it's obvious that what you are trying to do is not working. So it's time for you to stop what you are currently doing, ask for help, unless your ego is so big and you don't want to accept the reality. Number three, you are committed to getting a job. You want to get a job and then you can kickstart long-term plans like you want to buy a car, buy a house, or you want to grow yourself professionally. But all these things only happen when you've got a job. If you don't have a job, you don't have the salary, you don't have the money to keep going and make other things happen. And when you don't have a job, you don't have the confidence to make other things in life happen. And when you don't have a job, you are also not confident to socialize, because when you talk to other people, what to answer when they ask you, what are you doing right now, right? So I encourage you to ask for help when you are committed to getting a job, but you still don't get results from what you are currently doing. Number 4, you want to get a job that allows you to build a career you love and a great income to enjoy your life. So I will raise my hand for this scenario, because who doesn't want to build a career you love and a great income to enjoy your life, right? So if you also have that ambition like me, then I appreciate your ambition. But if you are still far away from your ambition, then I encourage you to ask for help when the results are still vague. I don't know about you, but for me, I don't want to waste my time, because time means money. If you don't share the same thinking, time means money, then let me explain to you. If you have been looking for a job for a while, like for a few months or even 1 or 2 years, and at a surface level, you just see that you're not getting a job, you're not working, but actually you are losing a lot of money. So if you are unemployed for 1 year or 2 years, and let me take the entry-level salary of $60,000. So if you are unemployed for half a year, then you have lost $30,000. And if it has been 2 years, then you have lost $120,000. So it is a big amount of money, right? And you could have done a lot of things with yourself and with your family with that amount of money. Do you think I need help? I not only need help, but I need a lot of help. To run my business, you see only me, but behind the scene, I receive a lot of help from my team, from other people, and from the technology. And every month, I spend thousands of dollars for this help. And I don't let my ego control myself here, because I know that I'm not good at everything. And other people are better than me in other things. So why don't I ask for help in their areas of expertise, so that I can focus on the areas that I'm really good at. And it means that I'm investing in myself, and I never regret investing in myself, because as a human, we need to grow. We cannot stay at the current status forever, right? And I'm willing to invest because I know that I will get better results in a shorter time. And when I can save time, it means I can save money. And when I have more time, I can do more things and I can earn more money. So you can see that I can make money from saving time, from doing more things. And that's why my money is compounding, and I don't see any reason why I shouldn't ask for help from other people. Similar to you, if you know that writing a resume that can land numerous interviews is not your expertise, then why don't you just ask for help in this area so that you can get a job and then you can focus on your technical background. And I'm also sure that you enjoy more when working in your technical background than working in the job application, because it's not your expertise area, right? So just ask for help in this area. Make sense? Now I hope that you have a better understanding why it's not bad at all. And it's even better when we ask for help. So if you've already got the right mindset, then I want to offer you my help. I'm hosting a free resume masterclass, 3 simple steps to get interviews. And I will walk you through step by step on how to write an ace resume that can land numerous interviews and finally a job offer. So this is the strategy that helped me land my 6-figure salary full-time job in only 2 weeks. And it also helped my clients land their 5-figure to 6-figure salary full-time jobs in a matter of weeks. So don't miss out on this class. The link to join is acejob.com.au/aceresume, and it's also in the first comment of this video. Now, if you have revised your resume over and over again, but you still don't get any results, you don't get any interviews, then you need stronger strategies. If you realize that you want to work one-on-one with me, then feel free to reach out. Head over to my website at acejob.com.au/one-on-one. Check out the secret job securing system and all the success stories on that page. Book a call with me from the calendar, and I will share with you the customized strategy based on your challenges, your strengths, your weaknesses to make sure that the job will be yours. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.